So 16.5, there's not a ton going on here, I don't think. It's bug. Okay, so new commands and enhancements to the command palette. Okay, block related commands. That's cool. These include block transforms and the options to duplicate, copy, remove, and insert after, before. Together, these two commands not only enrich the command palette. Okay. In addition to the new commands. That's cool. All right, is that done updating? Okay, so let's go back. Posts. I'm gonna do a 16.5 GB 16.5 release, and what? So there's like a command palette for command K insert. What are the commands? Hold on. After, add after. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so command K P4. Where are the commands that have been added? Transform to gallery. Okay. Oh, maybe I need to hold on. So let's go. Okay, so let's grab that command K. So that's weird because when I have this selected, I do. Oh, maybe. Oh, command K. Is this heading? Create. No, it's not. Command K. Is this the command palette? No, it can't be. Okay. No, this is not right. Okay. So I need to do this, and I need to go transforms. Okay, cancel. No, I don't know what's going on here. Seems a little less intuitive than I'd like. So you select something. Styles touched up. Maybe is this only in the site editor? Maybe it's only in the site editor. Block related commands have been introduced to the command palette. These include transforms and the option to duplicate, copy, remove, and insert before or after. I'm going to go into the editor. Sure. And I'm going to see if that has something to do with it. Maybe index. Sure. Temp recovery. Oh my God. It's going to be gone with you. Okay. So that's okay. So if I go command K when I have that selected, I'm going to go transforms to column, transforms to group. Okay, that makes more sense. So those commands only seem to work in the site editor, which I guess makes sense. What do you mean? Do you feel like they're gatekeeping it? Have you done a PR? You know what would be a great PR, Kev? I will tell you right now, I don't know if this has been done, but I feel that this would be a fantastic PR. You know how in 16.4 they had the ability to they enabled this. What if you did one that enabled custom fields? Turn that on and off. I think that would be a huge one. Yeah, that I think would be super helpful. I don't know if it's on the roadmap or not. It may well be, but put that together and let me know, and I'll bang the drum for you, man. No worries. Okay. Additional block supports for multiple blocks, including details and post content. Okay, so that's cool. Additional block supports are added. Okay, blocks, details block for updating block spacing and padding. Post content block. Now we can have the blocks colors by the controls. File block spacing. That's cool. Blocks removed post from block titles. I can watch. Say that again. Oh, okay. So there was in 16.4 there was that command. Make PR bang drum clear as day. LOL. Yeah, man. What didn't you get? Make PR bang drum. What I was telling you, Kevin, was create a PR that establishes a command palette command that turns on custom and off custom fields somehow. And then I will go in and I will bang a drum, metaphorically, to tell everyone that this should be merged. Kevin! Okay. Stop interrupting me. Okay, now we're pretty much done through this here. Okay, so notable highlights. This is so upgraded Node.js. That's pretty cool. This is a big deal. So I think the minimum, I think it used to be Node 14, or Node 14 was the version that you needed to use to like work with Gutenberg, to build Gutenberg, the plugin, and they bumped it up now to 16, I think. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Whew. Block commands, yeah, okay. Command palette styling, components. There's nothing real crazy daisy in here. New APIs. Use block editing mode. What's that? That sounds interesting. What is this? So what does this do? What is this? What does this do? This is get block editing mode. So this is a company selector. Get in actions. Get editing mode unset. These are also made public. Is this? Am I making a bigger deal out of this than I think? The only reason for this, and they like to use it in their plugins. So block editing mode. Like, what is the block editing mode? Oh, add ability to prevent editing blocks using block edit mode. Is there like an example of where we could use this? This one feels like it could be really cool. That's specifically this PR here, if anyone's interested. I'm getting some ideas for my my cookbook. Anyway, okay, cool. So that sounds interesting. Command block library. These are bug fixes. I don't care about bug fixes. Accessibility, performance, experiments. The fonts library. This is gonna be a big deal, I think. Fonts library. That'll be super cool. Very cool. Yeah, that's gonna be very cool. I don't know when that's targeting. I don't know if it'll be 6.4 or 6.5. Probably 6.5 at this point at least. But anyways. So there's some stuff in there. Packages, create block. Code quality. A lot of code changes, not a lot of big things. So, a bunch of first timers. That's really great. Let's see. Anyone in here we know? Anyone in here we know? I don't think so. Oh, Mamaduka. Mamaduka. He's in everyone. That guy's awesome. Cool. Okay. Well, I think that's it for 16.5. Is that what this is? 16.5. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.